Here we come to the elevator at the Houston Museum of Natural Science in Houston, Texas. This is at the Minerals and Gem Hall. It's a Westinghouse from 1981. Thanks to YouTube user MallGuy89 for pointing out the installation date. And here's the elevator. See through the door right there. All right, we're going on to G. I believe that is where the disappearing position indicator would go. There's your cab view of this. These are your EPCO Circle Line fixtures. Here's your phone. All right, let's go up to 3 now. It's a weak dinner bell. Let's listen to the motor going up. Here we go. Door close button does not work. Here we go. All right, let's sample the dinner bell chime. Here we go. Listen. Love that. Unfortunately, the indicator is burned out. You can see through the doors. Look at that. That's cool. You can see through the doors. All right, as soon as we get down at the basement level, we're gonna end the video on the lobby and we're gonna get out of here because I'm hungry right now. Watch the button go out. And we'll go back up to 1. That was a weak dinner bell on the basement. Are we going up? This is going up.
Yes, sir.
Your floor?
We're just going to the next one, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
Going all the way up
You're welcome.
and then come down.
Well, if you want to go to the Minerals and Gems Hall, that's on the 2nd floor right there.
I thought we were starting at the bottom and working our way up.
Oh, well, since we were on
Y'all want to go to the Minerals?
That's good.
Thank you.
Okay.
I don't know where we're going.
Appreciate it.
No worries. Y'all go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Also check this out. Watch this. Just wait till it closes. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. And there goes the dinner bell. Unfortunately, you cannot access from here because you have to have a card. But in order to access this elevator, you have to pay for a ticket. All right, so there it goes. And as you see right here, this is into the lobby of the museum itself. That'll be it.